Hey guys, today on JD Cars we'll be installing this E90 Sport bumper. If you haven't seen my previous videos, be sure to go check them out. I painted this bumper myself, and I also had my friend come over and we compounded and polished it. First things first, I'm just going to jack up the front of the car so we can get under there with the drill and make this process easier. Alright, so you don't need to jack it up all the way off the ground, just a couple inches. That'll make a huge difference, allowing us to get the drill in there. Just going to grab some simple green and some water. Now we can begin the first but most important step, which is cleaning off the existing bumper as well as the inside lip of the new bumper. Alright, now you need to dry this off really nicely. Now you want to carefully test fit the bumper and take note of all the places which it makes good contact with the car. Then in those locations you want to apply 3M molding tape. Now remove the adhesive backing from the tape and install the front lip on the car. Apply firm pressure in the locations that you place the tape. Now to ensure it's really secure and it's not going to fly off the car, I'm going to be securing it with 10 screws, and I've marked the bottom of the bumper in 10 locations, basically placing a screw every 7 inches as the width is 70 inches. At this point, the bumper should be very well secured, and that concludes the installation of this sport bumper. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like below and subscribe if you've yet to do so. Thanks, see you next time on JD Cars.